biggest snake ever could be hiding in the Amazon. There are more than 3,400 species of snakes existing in the world today. But do you know there once existed a snake that was larger than a T-Rex? Yes, this giant beast roamed the earth, and even though it is extinct today, it is believed that it could be hiding in the jungles of the Amazon. The snake was none other than the Titanoboa. According to scientists and historians, the Titanoboa have ceased to exist, but some have claimed that these frightening beasts still exist. 58 million years ago, a few million years after the fall of the dinosaurs, Cerrejón was an immense, swampy jungle where everything was hotter, wetter, and bigger than it is today. This was believed to be the house of the Titanoboa, a snake more than 40 feet long and weighing more than a ton. This giant serpent looked something like a modern-day boa constrictor but behaved more like today's water-dwelling anaconda. It was a swamp denizen and a fearsome predator, able to eat any animal that caught its eye. The existence of a Titanoboa came to light in 2009 when the bones were first sighted after 3 men joined forces. Jonathan Block of the Florida Museum, Carlos Jaramillo of the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute, and Jason Head, who is some of the world's foremost experts in ancient snakes. Together they uncovered everything about the humongous beast. At first, they thought the bones were related to a modern-day boa constrictor, but the environment suggested that it could have been closer to the South American anaconda. After further study, they realized that this was a completely new species. This snake has sparked people's imagination, but reality has exceeded their fantasies. The Titanoboa was a monstrous snake that could grow up to 42 feet long and weigh 135 kilograms. Paleontologists have asserted that the body length of the average adult Titanoboa was roughly 45 feet, but it could easily go higher. There are 2 other species of mammoth-sized snakes, the giant anaconda and the reticulated python. These are the 2 biggest snakes alive today. Talking about the comparison between a giant anaconda and the Titanoboa, here are the facts. The giant anaconda is also known as the green anaconda, are aquatic monsters that weigh 550 pounds and average about 17 feet in length. Some of them can even grow to as long as 30 feet, and the thickness of the snake is up to 3 feet in circumference. They feast on fish, birds, wild pigs, and other mammals. Now the reticulated python is found in Southeast Asia and Indonesia. These snakes can also grow to a scary 30 feet in length, but weight-wise isn't as heavy as an anaconda. They weigh around 250 pounds. Reticulated pythons are very unpredictable and are very popular pets for exotic snake owners. These are currently the largest snakes in the world in existence. They are large but not necessarily lethal. The menacing snakes are the smaller ones, as there are almost 600 species of venomous snakes alone. The saw-scaled viper, the king cobra, and the tiger snake are among the worst of them. They are responsible for more human fatalities per year. The king cobra is 18 feet long and the longest venomous snake in the world. It can deliver enough neurotoxins and its bite can take down an entire Asian elephant. The tiger snake's bite has dizzying effects which take minutes to kick in, and without proper treatment, they can be fatal. Coming back to the Titanoboa, how did they grow so huge? The snake's gigantic dimensions are a sign that temperatures along the equator were once much higher. Snakes and other cold-blooded animals are limited in body size by the ambient temperature of where they live. The mean annual temperature at equatorial South America 60 million years ago was about 91 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 degrees warmer than today. The higher temperature also meant that there was not just one Titanoboa but several of these slithering creatures ruling the earth. And the proof that there were more than is that the fossils discovered were of more than one.